Good morning, children. Welcome back to PNMRC e-learning classes. Let's continue with the chapter number 19 and the today's topic is outer space. Since the earliest of times, people have always been fascinated by space. So children, during the earliest times, people are always fascinated. They are attractive towards the space. Observing the skies, we can see different heavenly bodies which are present during the day and at night. So, when we see up in the skies, we can identify the heavenly bodies present during the day and during the night. And you know children, during the day we can see sun and during the night we can observe the moon. What can you see in the sky during the day? So, what you see during the day, children? Yes, it is sun. A telescope is a special instrument that helps us to see much more of the universe. So, children, from the telescope, it is the special instrument from which we can see the universe. The object present in the universe such as planets, stars, the moon, etc. are called heavenly bodies. So, what are heavenly bodies? The objects which are present in the universe such as planets, stars, moon, they all are heavenly bodies. Write down the names of the 8 planets in the solar system in their correct order from the sun. So, children, you can write down the names of the 8 planets which are in the solar system and it should be in the correct order from the sun. People have sent different man-made objects called satellites into space. So, people have sent many satellites into the space. Satellites and other spacecrafts explore the space. So, satellites and other spacecrafts, they are being sent into the space. Unmanned spacecrafts are those without any people on board. So, many spacecrafts are there which are without people on board and they are called unmanned spacecraft. They are controlled by scientists in space stations. So, they are being controlled by the scientists in the space station. Satellites are equipped with cameras and other equipments. So, what satellites they are having? They are having cameras and other equipments which are being sent into the space. The first satellite to be sent to space was Sputnik 1, which was sent by the former USSR in 1957. So children, the first satellite which was sent into the space was Sputnik 1 and it was sent by former USSR in 1957. India launched its first satellite Aryabhat in 1975 and India's first satellite was launched in 1975. The name was given Aryabhat. India has since successfully launched several satellites. So, India has launched many satellites. India made space history when Mangalyaan, its Mars orbiter mission spacecraft, entered the orbit of the red planet on 24th September 2014. So, children, on September 24th, 2014, India made a space history when Mangalyaan, its Mars orbiter mission spacecraft, entered the orbit of the red planet. Satellites are very useful to us. So, children, satellites are very useful to us. They help scientists to collect information about different weather patterns, winds, etc. Now, what is the role of the satellites? They help the scientists to collect the information about the different weather patterns. They collect the information of the weather and also the wind. We watch live events and programs on television which are transmitted by satellite. So, when we are watching the live program in our television, these all live programs are being transmitted by satellite. We can talk to each other over the phone due to satellites. Even we are talking on the phone with each other because of the satellite. They help to spot problems like forest fire, floods, etc. They also help astronomers to study the universe. So children, with the satellite we can also spot the problems like forest fires and floods also, and even they also help astronomers to study the universe. Different countries have set up institutes to study space and send people into space. So many countries, they have set up the institute to study space and even they are sending the people into the space. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, that is NASA, in the USA, and the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, in India are examples of such institutions. So children, these are the biggest institution in National Aeronautics and Space Administration, that is NASA, in USA, and in India it is Space Research Organization, ISRO, which are the biggest institution built in these two countries. People who go out into space are called astronauts. The first astronaut to go into space was Yuri Gagarin from the former USSR. So children, the people who go out into the space, they are called astronauts, and the first astronaut was Yuri Gagarin from the former USSR who went into the space. So children, we will see the new topic Indians in outer space in our next video. Till then, take care, stay safe.